Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making pizza slime. I want to start off this video by saying thank you for 30 subscribers. This means so much to me and I want to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel. You guys are so nice and amazing and comment the best things and it always makes my day. I'm going to start off by making the dough for my pizza. After adding as much glue as you want into your bowl, I'm going to add lotion and conditioner to make my slime stretchy and thick. To get the perfect dough color, I mix yellow food coloring, red food coloring, and some brown acrylic paint. Now I'm going to start activating the slime. I decided to add Model Magic to the slime to make it more of a dough texture. Now I'm going to start to make my sauce. I use the exact same steps from my dough slime to make my sauce slime, but I'm not going to add Model Magic. Now I'm going to make my cheese slime. Here are all of the slimes. Now it's time to assemble all the slimes and create a pizza. If you want to get a shout out in next week's video, comment down below #SlimeLover. Thanks for watching!